vehicle maintenance of about 50,000. So that's a stable production line. And let's go over to the tech tree now and see what we can make out of upgrades. So beef stew is a tier 2 upgrade. Let's go check out some. So it really is dependent on what the town needs. So they have a demand for chicken, they have a demand for eggs. I think that's enough that I'm going to go up more of a livestock route. So I'm going to unlock chickens. Let's check to make sure that the water is being stored properly. So 1 there, and we have 10 here. So this 1 water harvester unfortunately is not going to be enough. So I'm going to get the upgrade for, let's see where it's at. Fields and harvesters. And then we'll do these. So that will take a minute to research, but once we have it, we'll have the option to place down a few more harvesters here. Alternatively, I can just put a second harvester in, which I might have to do anyway. So let's go ahead and put a second water siphon down. So R to rotate the buildings and close them down. Okay, so that water siphon's producing. And we're gonna go over here and lay down the second. Is it livestock or is it? I believe it's just a second livestock farm. So you can choose cows, chickens, or okay, cool. So right now it's on chickens. So chickens need grain and they need water. So let's supply them with water first. Livestock farm 2. I'm gonna put down another crop farm over here. Expensive. Okay, so this crop farm is in need of water. Okay. So now it's meat delivered to and production started. And it looks like this one's still in need of water. So once these additional coastal harvesters come online, I'm gonna be able to boost the water production just slightly. So we're almost done with this research up here. So now we can put down 2 more. Oh, there is a limited range here, so. So now there should be enough water production now to keep these crop farms stocked. missing here? So wheat, is that being moved? No, it's not. So there we go. All the chickens are starting to grow. It's cool details. Little huts, and I think these are just larger huts. Okay, so we have chicken and eggs. We're gonna set those up to be farmer's market. So chicken and eggs. So we had 131,000 last month. That's not bad at all. Partially supplied, fully demanded, and partially supplied. So you want to keep them just below fully supplied, otherwise the prices will begin to decline, and that will cut into your profitability. So we have 5 water stored there, and we have 4 over here, which is good. So orchard and plantations are still locked. So I'm going to open up the food production for apples. Flour, chocolate cake. Strange. Produce at orchard requires water. Tech tree, food, livestock. Maybe it's drinks. Oh, here it is. Okay. Gas pump's been discounted. Let's see here. They have a wholesaler and the hardware store and farmer's market still. So far I've unlocked a few different things. So I'll just clear those notifications. Storage is full, crop farm 2. So there's actually too much water being delivered there. Okay. That should take care of that. Look at the cost on that. $1.8 million and 540 days of research at $100,000 invested. So there's an upgrade here for R&D. I might actually make that a higher priority. The more money you spend, the lower the days and the years that have to be put into research. So this is a rival sort of business in the town. So they got a water siphon over here, and they have a lumber mill, as well as a carpentry center. So the water siphon's now full. This water siphon's almost full, which means there's enough for some additional buildings here, or for me to expand these once the fields are researched. Actually, speed this up a little bit. Things are stable, so it's okay to speed up. Let's bump investment to 250,000. You see how much quicker it was. So there's just a total cost associated with the research item, and once you allocate more spending, it goes faster. It's not actually how it works in the real world, but let's unlock livestock next. Actually, what we'll do, we'll take off livestock, and we'll do the next efficiency. So my spending on R&D is so much that it's eating into all my profits. Plus 2 crop fields. So let's get that $1 million. Look at that R&D budget. 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 8, 9, $1 million that month. So we're just burning through cash right now, but once that is done, I'm gonna put the R&D budget back down to 100,000 and just do something more long term. So now I've unlocked 2 more fields. Still partially supplied on these items, which is good. You don't want to get them fully supplied, but you can see the number of trucks going in. 1 stored, 6 stored. They use 7 per 15 days. So orchards are available now. Cool. So the orchard's destination will be the farmer's market. And I'll supply it water from water siphon 2, I guess. So much. there we go.